Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Summer if you're new here, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and watching. So today I just recorded this Luvmehair. Thank you so much to Luvmehair for sponsoring this video. This is a 22-inch 13x4 undetectable lace front wig. I absolutely love it. I think it looks amazing. The hair is really soft, so that's definitely a bonus. I want to say it looks amazing, like looks so good the way the hair is. See how silky that is? So I basically just wore this in the middle part, straightened the hair. I didn't straighten it on camera because I felt like I've done that before and I didn't want to necessarily record it all over again. But I love the way this hair looks. I have slight baby hairs, nothing too crazy for this in particular install. Sometimes I want a bunch of baby hairs, sometimes I don't. And then I didn't even do the fluffy baby hairs on the side. I just tucked it behind my ear, and then I'm wearing it down like this. And I think it looks so good like that. Like, just looks like so natural. So yeah, so basically that's really what I did for this wig, and if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Again, thank you so much to Luvmehair for sponsoring this video. And oh, let me show you guys what I got. So packaging, I got this box. It came in this box, which I love. Purple's my favorite color. I don't know if you guys knew that. But in this box it came with like a few goodies. So it comes with this like hair care, it tells you all about how to take care of your hair. It comes with a comb that you can use. I don't know where my other one of these is, so this is good that I have this. The hair comes in this bag, right? So wonderful branding, it looks really good. You get this little bag like this, and gives you all these little, like, you get lashes in here, that's one. I think you get like 5 or 6 gifts. A scrunchie, which I needed, so I'm very excited about this, right? And it's cute. These earrings, some like hoops, like studs. Press-on nails. I was like, okay, lovely. So you get press-on nails in there, like, that was sweet. And you also get this like gem. So you could, actually this might not look bad if I put it on my shirt. This is cute. But this definitely would go like cute with my shirt. So anyway, yeah, so that's what you get in this bag. So they give you gifts. They do give you gifts, and I thought that was really nice, just like a good touch, and it makes you feel special. So yeah, the branding is great. I love this hair. The hair is really nice. Only con for this hair is there are the little like fuzz balls. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but if you wear wigs, you'll know like they have little fuzz balls sometimes in them. So throughout the hair, you might see a little bit of those fuzz balls. You could just really take them out. They come out really easily, but outside of that, there were no other cons. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.
Oh, I never knew love would come and find me one day. Oh, I never knew that you would be the one headed my way.
Alright guys, so we do have another sponsored video. So thank you so much to Luvmehair for sponsoring this video. They sent me this beautiful, I think this is like 22-inch wig, and I'll put all the specs on the screen. But what I'm going to do now, I'm about to put this on. So I'm going to put this on first just to show you guys. It comes with like an elastic band on the inside, like that. So I'm going to put this on. This will be the first time I put this on, actually. So let's put this on. I did not put any makeup in it yet, so let's see what the lace is looking like. Okay, so I just pulled that down. I'm not going with the middle part today. I mean, side part. I'm going with the middle part, but I just wanted to plop this on to see what that's gonna look like. Yeah, for sure, middle part today.
When I think about you, I won't lie.
guys can see. Whoa. Do you guys see that? That lace is very good. It's supposed to be undetectable lace. And I think they did a pretty good job at making the lace undetectable, if I do say so myself. I have to fix this hair because this is not it right now. So let me hot comb this or wax stick this or make this flatter so it's not lifted up like this, and I'll come back to you guys.
Say all the things I want to, but I'm trying. Oh, to find a way to get close to you. It's so hard to say all the things I want to. I'm waiting to let you know how much I want you. Yeah. When I think about you, I feel la 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 la. When I think about you, I want la 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 la. Yeah, yeah. When I think about you, I feel la 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 la. When I think about you, I want la 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 all the time. When I think about you, I feel la 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 la. When I think about you, I want la 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 la. Yeah. When I think about you, when I think about you, I feel la la la. When I think about you, I want la 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 all the time. Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind and down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Loosen up and lose ourselves to this feeling. Oh, I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence.
Okay, so now that I've laid my hair down, I'm gonna just go over this with the hot comb again and try to get this as flat as possible. I use my wax stick too, so, and while my hair sets, I'll come back when everything is finished. I'm gonna go do my makeup really quick, guys, and then I'm gonna come back on when everything is done and ready to go. So my face is done. Hopefully I don't look too extra or too bright, but yeah. So let's get into this hair. I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna have to put a little bit of makeup right there, but that's okay. It took me like longer than normal to do my makeup today. I don't know why, but this is what I'm working with right now. Let me just slight baby hairs. Nothing too crazy. It looks really good, just like this, guys. Like, it looks so good. Okay. Oh, well, there's always that. Lifting up a little. See, I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna just tack it down like I normally would. I feel like I had to put some more color to my face. It's not giving me. And I should have cut more of the lace on this side, but it's okay. Don't worry. So we're gonna put. I feel like it never gets like fully what it needs to give. I'm just gonna flatten that in here. It's kind of not sticking, but we're gonna let that dry down in a second. I should have definitely cut more of the lace right here. You see that? I should have cut that more. Just take my little scissors. You see how this is lifted? I'm just gonna go in and cut this a little bit more, so less of the lace is showing out. I mean, I really don't have to do baby hairs. I'm gonna do, like I said, very slight baby hairs. In the meantime, let's straighten some of this hair again. So I did straighten it off camera. It's pretty much the same every time I straighten it, but I'm gonna take a piece and just straighten it for you guys so you can see exactly what it's supposed to look like. So I take this. Hopefully you can see. I'm trying to get as far back as possible. And the hair straightens really, really nicely. No issues there. It's hot. Ooh. See? And let's just get rid of that crease right there. Yeah. Like this. Go up a little higher. Can you guys see how good that looks? I don't really have to put any baby hairs on this. We're going to take my comb and I'm just going to pull out some baby hairs. So I'm going to get my little clips. I'm going to just hot comb this.
Days never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby.
Scissors. And since I already hot combed it, I'm just going to cut these. Cut them a little bit longer than I would normally cut them. Do that. Hot comb, flat iron this up. That's pretty high. Foam and a dirty edge brush. Don't judge me. No judgment. Dirty edge brush, foam. I curled them so high I couldn't see. Okay. How perfect those baby edges are. Perfect slight edges, nothing crazy. Like I said, I didn't want like edges that are like ridiculous. Then I'm gonna take my spray. I'm gonna spray my brush. Oh. Y'all saw how that spray worked? And then I'm just gonna do it again.
Just need an hour with you, baby. Yeah. Then we be blinded by the lights, oh. We get this feeling.
This side is done. And then I'm gonna go to the other side, do the same thing. I'm gonna cut this. I'm gonna do it like this, y'all. So I could see. Okay. And then I'm gonna cut. That's good enough for my baby hairs now. So I did my baby hairs. Let me just go back through with a hot comb. And then I'm going to put mousse at the top to lay it even flatter because it's not as flat as I want it to be. A little bit of this mousse and then to the top of my hair. Guys, this looks so good. Let me do some lipstick or something because my lips are like so plain. Then I'm gonna change my shirt and I'm gonna come back. So 2 seconds. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna do the last few things, which is I'm gonna just take some of this pressed powder that I have from the beauty supply store. I don't even know what this is called. It says NK makeup. And I'm gonna push that on my hairline. Just tap it in there, and then anywhere that you see that lace a little bit. Oh, last part I wanted to do, I put concealer in my part to make it straight. So I'm just gonna use my concealer for my under eyes. What I use to go in and
It's so hard to say all the things I want to.
I feel like my part is a little crooked. It's fine. It's fine, guys. So this is the back of my hair. You guys can see. And I think it looks really good. It looks really, really good. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.